Hi everyone, all my new subscribers, welcome to my channel. And if you haven't already subscribed, please go ahead and do so. My channel is all about unique arts and crafts and home improvement. So let's get right into this video on making these mini bottle necklaces. I mean, aren't these so cute? Okay, so I went through my jewelry box the other day and I found all these little scraps of pieces of jewelry. I found charms and earrings where I lost one earring but I kept the other around, and just chains and a lot of different earring pieces, earring hooks and O-rings. So I decided to just go ahead and try to see if I could make something out of these. Dollar Tree, I found these mini glass bottles and I found them in two sizes. Here's a smaller size. I chose this faux suede cord because it was cheaper than chains at the store, and also because chains have a lot of other issues. They turn color and honestly I have plenty of chains, so I don't need any more. Some of these I'm going to actually turn into necklaces. Others I'm just showing you different ideas of what can make a cute necklace. Now I'm using the same technique for various bottles throughout this video, as far as how to glue it and how to tie the knot for the necklace and using the earring hooks, but this is the only time that I'm showing it in details. Alright y'all, don't be laughing at me. I know my peacock feather looks a little jacked, but she's been with me for many years, okay? And I think this makes it look a little bit more authentic, right? Okay, we're just gonna roll with it. Okay, it's best to just put the cord around your neck and measure to where you want it. I tend to have mine right below my bosom, so that stops at around 32 inches for me. Now this one right here is what I consider just simply magical. Just take a simple feather, close it in a mini bottle, and bam! Just so gorgeous. is a charm that I got from a cruise that I went on some years ago. The DI stands for Diamonds International, I think, but thought I'd make some use of it. These are some flowers and a few plants that I pulled off the sidewalk, to be honest, and I let them dry out and decided to make a necklace with them. Here's one that I made previously with some dandelions, which is one of my favorites, and a charm that I had in my jewelry box. To make this choker necklace, you would need at least 63 inches of rope. But again, do the measurements on yourself as well. Wait, before you go, make sure to hit the subscribe button and ring the bell so you'll know when I have new videos out. Bye, everybody.